Hello, myself Pooja PS. I'm studying in 6th standard. My topic name is Save Water by Using Methods Hanging Plants Containers of Out of Waste Plastic Bottles and Watering Plant. In this day, water is very important for your life. So we must find the water saving ways in your daily life. In the waste, waste plastic bottles, strip watering hanging plants containers of out of waste plastic bottles. In this kind of containers, you don't need to wash the water on a regular basis because water itself and you fill in the lower part become and weak and the plant. Through an attached piece of a cotton cloth absorbs the water level containers on its own. Since the waste plastic bottles are transparent, you can see the keep a track in the water level bottles are decreased and fill in the need. Drip watering hanging potted plants containers of out of waste plastic bottles. Hanging plants containers can be made using any kind of containers you can cut with a knife or paper or scissor. It is environmental friendly, can be made using any kind of containers that you can cut with a knife or paper or scissor. It is environmental friendly, can be made using any kind of. It is interior or exterior decoration. You can hang plant on a wall of a put on a table. The plant type of pot depends on a place where you wish to place it. If you plant in the outdoor where sunlight can reach it, then you can choose. However, it plant in the room indoor where sunlight can reach it, then you can choose. However, it plant in the room indoor where sunlight cannot reach it, then can choose interior plants such as money plant or a water plant. The material: waste plastic bottles, cotton cloth or cotton strip, knife or paper cutter of scissor. Soil. Plant money plant is good of interior. Steps. Step 1. Cut the bottles into pot as 1/3 pot is upper side. Step 2. Make a hole in the cap of the bottle. Step 3. Strain the cotton cloth or cotton strip in the cap's hole. The length of the should be 60° to 10° of liter bottle. The length depending on the length of the bottle. Step 4. Fill in the water soil in the upper part. Strange in the middle. Step 5. Put the plant soil. Step 6. Put the water. Step 7. Place the upper part over the lower part. The cotton strip should be proper. It can approach the water to pot. And there you have nice looking and self-reliance. See how water is coming through the cotton strip. Conclusion. Path planter drip water by using a technique is called sub-irrigation. It allows the water moisten a capillary action and keep track a healthy and growing. The wicking cotton pulls up to the kerosene lamp based on a technique is called a technique where the pulls into up kerosene cotton rubber to burn outside. Thank you.